How to add overlay in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you an easy tutorial to add overlay in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. For that, first you have to open your Capcut app and then you have to come to this import option and import all the project videos that you want to work on. And with your raw footages over here, you simply have to click this plus sign and add it to the track. And now to add overlay, you simply have to drag the photo or video that you want to add to the overlay and put it above the track, and then you can just adjust the size by dragging these corners over here, and then you can just add the overlay like this. And if you want to add a text overlay, you can just go to the text option and then click this plus sign, and here you go. You have added the text overlay as well. And that's the process that you can follow to add overlay on Capcut on PC and Mac. And I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.